Cosmetics, sorry. They do, their makeup is for a cause. Sort of like Chantecaille. They usually have proceeds of their money going for a cause. And I believe that Thrives is specifically to women in need, and I believe it's women who've been abused, but I'm sure that there's more than one aspect that they use that money for. Maybe it's for women who've been trafficked, maybe it's for people who've been victims of domestic violence. I need to go back and reread, to be honest. I don't remember all the different things that they do. Anyway. Oh, and this is this bracelet right here. My dear subby Alyssa made that for me and sent that in. So thank you. I'm wearing it to work today. My boss gave me this one. And they blend well with my other ones. Okay. Love Charlotte Tilbury, y'all. She's one of my favorite brands. That eyelash curler to me is different. I guess because it's wider, and I mean it's wider this way and it's longer this way, so it gets all your lashes. But I am going to use the Thrive Cosmetics, which is in my purse. Therefore, I will end this video. And I love you guys so much. And have a good day. Maybe get yourself a little Reese's egg, but don't eat too many. We don't want to get unhealthy. We want to be healthy. Love you guys so much. Bye. Oh, I almost tripped. Oh my gosh.